So along the bottom, you can resize everything. You can zoom in and out as you're able to see right there. So if you need to get really close to a design and figure out exactly how to edit that, zoom in as far as you need to. We also have the option to switch between if you want it. Like right now, they're all pages you scroll through. Let's zoom back into a more reasonable size. I think we probably had it right about there. So you can also go to pages here. And if you just click on that, it'll show you each one as a thumbnail on the bottom. Then you can always just add new ones like that. Click on it again, and it'll switch back to the scrolling style. So if you have a lot of different styles, you're toggling between like number 1 and number 5, it could be nice to have the thumbnails on the bottom. Also, let's say you have maybe 40 designs. You can go to the grid view and see all of them and easily switch between any one of them just by clicking on them, or double clicking rather, and that'll bring you to that respective page. And I know a lot of people do use Canva for presenting, which is actually a really great use case of this. You can do that by clicking on, obviously there's little hotkeys right there, but if you just click on the little full screen thing, that'll bring you into the presentation mode, and you can just hit left or right buttons on your keyboard to toggle between the different slides. And this is great because honestly, PowerPoint is pretty antiquated. It doesn't really do a great job, in my opinion, of allowing you to design, something more intricate like this. So Canva, pretty great for that.